So guys, today I will show you how to fix sound problem on OmeTV easy and quick. So if you want to fix this problem, just open first the settings of your device. And right now you just have to click on your apps option and search for OmeTV and click. So here scroll this list down. Click on your storage option, click clear cache and back. Click right now at force stop and click OK. Go guys to Play Store or App Store, update OmeTV, restart your device, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.